Hi, this dance is called Buckle Up, to Buckle Up from Hillside Outlaws. Starts with Applejacks that goes and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Lockstep, 5 and 6, half a pivot, 7, 8. Now you do a full turn on 1, 2 with a back step and a front step. Goes 1, 2, lockstep, 3 and 4, kick and point, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Then we have a traveling heel toe swivel that goes 1, 2, 3, 4, pivot 5, 6, it's a half a pivot, and then a side shuffle with a quarter turn, 7 and 8. Then we have cross back 1, quarter turn 2, step 3, half a pivot 4, shuffle half a turn, 5 and 6, rock back 7, 8. The dance finishes with 4 chugs that goes 1, 2, 3, 4, step, quarter pivot, stamp, clap. I'll show you those chugs forward, and you'll come from here. What you need to do is step forward on a flat foot and pop your opposite knee as you drag it. So it goes chug, 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 chug. And it finishes quarter pivot, stamp, clap. We'll do it with music.
Lately, we've been stuck in the crazy, working all day for a penny, waiting on Friday night. And lately, I ain't seen my baby or a ballroom dance floor hazy, but I'ma change that tonight. With the pedal to the floor, that's what the weekend's for. Better buckle up, get your boots kicking, holes in the sky. Buckle up, getting lit like your Marlboro light. Singing, hey, better hold on, get your ticket to the all night long. When that feel good's up in our cup, better buckle up.